I've been playing with Homebot for a couple of months now, and I suspect you've probably been looking at it too. And I've got a couple of questions, which compels me to send out this video where I want to hit a few points that may not have been intuitive to you. So if you first come onto the site, if you've not registered anything, it's going to default to Denver, which probably doesn't really help you much. Let's say you would instead rather go to Arlington, Virginia. So you type in the town you're looking for or the county. It'll send you to there. And when you get there, you're going to see these different temperature bubbles. And just think of it, I went too fast there. The more red the temperature bubble, the hotter, in other words, the more pro-cellular it is. And the more blue, the more pro-bar it is. And so let's just go to Bailey's Crossroads. If I was looking in the zip code and I'm trying to find homes for, now I define myself as 650, but you can actually come in and change the price point you want just by sending it here. I'm just going to leave it at 650. So if I'm saying, well, I want to see what homes I find in that zip code and see, show me all the homes for 650 in this particular zip code. And I'm probably not going to find very many. I've got, well, let's just for a heck of it look at this anyhow. It's under contract, but let's look at it anyhow, right? So I've got some photos here. I can look at my photos. It shows me what's going on. I could, if I wanted to, I could favorite this home. I could schedule a tour. I could go and, of course, this is myself as the test account. I could go in, I could actually ask the realtor myself a question, right? What do you think of this? This will send me a chat pretty fast. If I type, well, I could also just call myself. I could email myself. I could schedule a tour with myself. So, of course, if I get a message from you, we'll say, hey, Sharon or whoever is actually looking to see this property. If I want to, I can just, explore markets will just give me a really good sense for what it is I'm looking for. Let's try this. Let's go back. I clearly had not saved that as my favorite zip code. So now I've got that zip code as my favorite, and I can set zip codes, and I can set homes as favorites. Also, if you want to get a sense for what your own home is worth, because your home, its value fluctuates just as anything else in the market does, you can come in and say, I'm going to set my home, and then on a monthly basis, you'll start getting a sense of what your home is worth. And just sure. Okay. But I would just want to give you a sense for this is how you use the software. It allows you to communicate with me, and then you sort of know what's really going on in terms of your own home, as well as homes you might be looking to buy. Okay, thank you much.